Hey, what's up everyone? Tom Parmentier here with MaxHousePrice. Just stopped in real quick at our project in Burke. If you remember last time we were here, we were getting the drywall finished, and you can see that they're all ready for paint on the walls. We've gotten the ceilings all painted here, so it's starting to come together. We got I don't know if we can see it, it's a little dark, but we got a test coat. Yeah, I can't really see of the gray color that we're going to be using in this home. So really coming along. Let's take a quick look upstairs and we can see how things are coming along here. So you can see we got the ceilings all painted. We got the final prep work done on the walls after everything's been primed, just pointing everything up so that we just get a really nice clean finish. So we got another day of just cleaning up, and then next week we'll be painting the interior, and then the home will be ready for flooring and cabinets. You can see we got doors painted up here. We're able to reuse the existing doors. They're in great shape. We just wanted to get them painted the bright white. So just kind of walking through here. You can see we're getting there. Come check out what we did over here in the master. If you remember before, this was opened up and we put a door in here and we were able to extend the bathroom here. So we're gonna have a really nice space in the closet here in the back. So we'll be back next week and share with you how things are going. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a message. Thanks so much.